big.
Okay. Monkey. Stay there, pluck one.
He's even doing shakara.
Coconut, very fresh. Guys, we are in the village. Village is sweet. So now we want to go and pluck some coconuts. Jesus. Look at Afang plantation. Look at Afang. All this is Afang. So Abasi Freke wants to climb the coconut tree and get some fresh coconuts for us to eat. Abasi Freke, be careful, oh. Easy, oh, easy, oh. Look at my neighbor. That's all something more. This boy, yo. Abbas, that one is not strong. Oh, something. Sakau. So guys, look at the coconuts. Very fresh and big. Be careful, oh.
Monkey. Stay there, pluck one.
He's even doing shakara.
It's a monkey. Look at the monkey we have that went to pluck the coconuts for us.
Abbas, my heart can now be at rest.
Very fine.
Very fresh. It's not a little leaf, it's a tama. Afang. Okay. In English.
It's called catalyst leaf in English. Look at that beautiful.
Guys, look at the coconuts, very fresh. Wow. Very fresh.
Of coconuts. Today we go chop them. Today is enjoyment. Village
enjoyment.